Have you ever started a new school year thinking, this year is going to be different, only to find yourself stressed, overwhelmed, and falling behind just a few weeks later? In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you should do before your first day back. If you spend just a few days preparing now, you'll save yourself weeks of stress later. Let's get started. Step 1. Reset your sleep schedule. One of the biggest mistakes students make is waiting until the night before school to fix their sleep. If you've been staying up until 2 or 3 in the morning during summer, your body won't magically adjust overnight. On your first week back, you'll probably feel exhausted, have trouble concentrating, and rely on caffeine just to stay awake. Instead, start adjusting your schedule about 1 to 2 weeks before school starts. Go to bed 15 to 30 minutes earlier each night and wake up a little earlier every morning. It may not seem like much, but small changes are easier to maintain and help your body adapt naturally. A good night's sleep improves memory, focus, and learning more than another hour of late-night studying ever will. Step 2. Set goals that you can actually achieve. A lot of students make huge promises like, I'm going to study 5 hours every day, or I'm getting straight A's. While those goals sound motivating, they're often too vague or unrealistic. Instead, ask yourself questions like, what grade do I want in each subject? Which class was the hardest for me last year? What habit caused me the most stress? Maybe your goal isn't to become the top student overnight. Maybe it's simply to stop procrastinating, submit every assignment on time, or review your notes for 20 minutes after each class. Small goals create consistency, and consistency creates results. Step 3. Organize your study space. Your environment has a bigger impact on your focus than most people realize. Take 30 minutes to clean your desk, throw away old papers, wipe everything down, organize your supplies, and remove anything that distracts you. Keep only the things you actually use while studying. A clean workspace reduces mental clutter and makes it easier to start working because your brain isn't processing unnecessary distractions. Think of it this way. If your desk looks chaotic, your mind often feels chaotic too. Step 4. Prepare your school supplies. Don't wait until the night before classes begin. Check your backpack, notebooks, pens, chargers, calculator, laptop, headphones, and any other supplies you'll need. If your school provides a supply list, compare it with what you already have before buying anything new. Being prepared isn't just about having the right materials. It's about removing excuses that make you procrastinate later. Step 5. Set up a digital organization system. School today isn't just notebooks and binders. Most assignments, announcements, and deadlines happen online. Create folders on your laptop or tablet for each subject. Organize your cloud storage. Use a calendar to record important dates as soon as you receive them. Check out my academic planner on Notion. I'll leave the link in my description. Whether you use Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Notion, or a simple planner, having one place for everything means you'll spend less time trying to remember deadlines and more time actually studying. Step 6. Build a study routine before classes. Begin. One of the reasons students fall behind is because they wait until they have homework to start thinking about studying. Instead, decide now when you'll study. Maybe it's an hour after school, maybe it's after dinner. The exact time doesn't matter as much as making it consistent. When studying becomes part of your daily routine instead of a decision you have to make every day, it requires much less motivation. Habits always beat motivation in the long run. Step 7. Learn how to study efficiently. Studying longer doesn't always mean learning more. Some of the most effective techniques are surprisingly simple. Active recall means testing yourself instead of rereading your notes over and over. Spaced repetition helps you review information just before you're likely to forget it, making it much easier to remember in the long term. The Pomodoro technique, studying for a focused period followed by a short break, can help you stay productive without feeling burned out. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for you instead of copying someone else's routine. Step 8. Eliminate distractions before they become a problem. It's much easier to prevent distractions than to fight them. If your phone constantly interrupts your study sessions, keep it across the room or use focus mode. Turn off notifications that aren't important. Close tabs you don't need. The fewer decisions your brain has to make while studying, the easier it becomes to stay focused. Step 9. Don't forget your health. Your brain is part of your body. If you don't take care of yourself, your grades can suffer too. Drink enough water, eat balanced meals when possible. Move your body every day, even if it's just a short walk. Try not to sacrifice sleep for last-minute studying unless it's absolutely necessary. You'll remember information better when your brain is rested than when you're running on 3 hours of sleep. Step 10. Prepare for the first week. Introduce yourself to classmates. Write down every assignment. Review your notes each evening, even if only for 10 minutes. The sooner you establish good habits, the easier the rest of the semester becomes. Remember, falling behind is much easier than catching up. A successful school year begins with what you choose to do before that day arrives. You don't need to completely transform your life overnight. Just pick one or two tips from this video and start today. Those small actions will add up over weeks and months, and by the end of the school year, you'll be amazed at how far you've come. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more study motivation, productivity tips, and relaxing study sessions. Good luck this school year. You've got this.